It's corn planting time. We're out here in the old garden plot that we revived last year and I'm marking off rows for planting corn. Now we're doing this old school. We do have a planter, but we're going to do this by hand. That way we don't waste a bunch of seed and have to do a lot of extra thinning. What we're doing is making a furrow, putting some chicken litter down in here. Now this is chicken litter has been sitting around for quite a while, so it's not hot. It's an excellent source of fertilizer. But we're going to put a fairly heavy dose of chicken litter in here, and then we'll cover it well, and then we're going to follow up with some bone meal because last year our corn that was planted in this area looked like it had phosphate deficiency. It was turning purple and wasn't growing real well. So we're going to overcome that because it does take a lot. That's one reason why they recommend not planting corn over and over in the same spot, because it is a heavy feeder. So we didn't actually plant in this area, but we're going to go ahead and dress it so it's not going to have that deficiency this year. But anyway, I got a few more rows to lay out, so I better get after it. Okay, got this 20 by 40 section of corn planted here, and we've got the sprinkler on it that watered in. Now you could let it wait for the next rain, and it did get rain the other day. The soil's kind of moist, but if we put some water to it, it's going to come up a lot quicker. So we're going to put some water to it. All right, we're down here at the old garden spot, and we're going to plant some more corn here. Now this corn won't have water, so we'll see how good it does. I want to get it in early enough that if it catches the rains, it gets its roots down, and we can get it laid back pretty early in the spring. I don't know how many rows we'll do here, 6 to 8 rows maybe. They're about 100 foot long. But anyway, we're just hand planting it. We're hoeing the rows, burying the fertilizer just like up another one, and they'll get this stuff planted. But anyway, if you're planting corn, let me know. Let me know what variety. This here is a Hickory King, which is a older variety, been around since 1800. It's a field corn. It's a dent variety, and it's excellent for making cornmeal and hominy, which that's our plans is hominy, and it's good roasting ears if you like corn with flavor. If you're just looking for sugar, this is probably not the one. That candy corn that we put in the other garden spots probably going to be the one for you. But anyway, if you want to follow up and see how this comes along in later videos, and you're not subscribed already, just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified. And of course, give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.